Hey guys, adding an NGL link to your Instagram story is simple. In this video, I'll show you how to add the link and then share it to your followers. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up the NGL app and you have to download the app from Google Play Store. After opening the app, here you have to click on the copy link button, and after that your link will be copied. Then you have to go back and open up the Instagram mobile application, and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. Now for the sake of this video, I am simply going to create a story, and after creating the story, then you have to click on the sticker icon at the top center of the screen, and after that you have to scroll down, and here you can see the option of link. You have to tap on the link sticker, and here you have to paste the link, and after that you simply have to click on done. And as you guys can see that the NGL link has been pasted, and after that you can drag the link and you can paste it anywhere where you want. After that you simply have to post the story and your followers will see your NGL link. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to paste in NGL link on your Instagram story. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.